Okay guys, so I have some extra time. Yes, my computer dies on me almost like every day. It actually doesn't die. I plug it in like 7%. Again, like I have certain numbers that I like 7, 2. 2 is like my favorite number. 7 just seems to be a good number. And like whole numbers. So today's play is FORD, and no, it is not Ford the Motor Company. It is Forward Industries, as you see. But this was awesome. Perfect dip buy. And as you see, I have a line right here. And it's because that's where it bounced and then came back down. So this is actually where I got in at. I was honestly too scared to get in here. And it's just dip buys are something that I don't do a whole lot of, but they work very well sometimes. But it panicked down, and then I took a risk. You see my basically where I was risking off of. Yes, it was quite a big risk, but my money, right? Sometimes you got to risk it to make it. And then I basically rode it up to the first red candle. So this is basically my entry point, and this is basically my exit point. And awesome trade. And the only reason I sold it on this first red candle was because this move right here was nice. But this move right here was almost too good to be true. It even got halted during it. So as soon as it unhalted and it just started moving again, I was basically figuring out a way to get out. So awesome move though. If you guys got out up here, congratulations to you guys. I only had one other student play this today, and he did profit off of it, but he got in here, and he expected it to just keep going, and I understand that. I already asked him if I can talk about this. He said, yeah, no problem. And then it faded, and then he knew that I was getting in around this area because he talks to me all the time. And then he knew that I was in here, so he held it, and then he ended up letting it ride again. So glad to see my students making money. That is the most awesome thing you can see when this is what you teach. Again, he doesn't trade off of his phone like I do, but I like my phone better than on my laptop or my iMac, whatever it is. So this is a great way to start the weekend. Good Friday. So with that being said, I am going to finally go get my hair cut like I said before, and then basically hang out for the rest of the night. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Well, as you see, I am not at home. Well, my parents' house, wherever. I am not even at my house at college. I'm at my girlfriend's. Plans fell through, so she's still at school. I am getting ready to work on some stuff for you guys. Basically went grocery shopping real fast. Actually, didn't want to go grocery shopping. There was no food in in her place, and I'm already here, so went and got some food for her to have in her place. Now we're gonna work on this. Finish uploading this video right now, actually, and I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. So let's go.